Find the sum of 4 geometric means between 160 and 5. Choices 130, 140, 150, and 160. So i-post nyo muna, try munang sagutan bago panoodin ang aking solution. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so number 232 of 1001 solve problems in engineering mathematics. So find the sum of 4 geometric means between 160 and 5. So to solve this, kailangan natin ng 4 geometric means. 4 geometric means between 160 and 5. So hinahanap natin yung sum ng 4 geometric means. Okay, so pwedeng mabaligtad to actually no, tong 160 tsaka 5. So basta naman nagpa-follow siya ng geometric means. So unahin na lang natin yung 5. Okay, so 5 tapos mag-insert tayo daw ng 4 na geometric means. Ayan, and then 160 dito. So geometric means ibig sabihin atong sequence natin ay geometric. So pag sinabing geometric, nagmumultiply tayo dito ng number. Ang formula ng geometric sequence natin, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r to the n minus 1. Okay? So ito ang formula natin para sa geometric sequence. So dito sa ating given, 5, ito yung a sub 1 natin. And then itong 160, ito yung magiging a sub 6 natin. So kailangan nating masolve itong common ratio natin, itong r, para malaman natin itong 4 na geometric means dito. Okay, so i-substitute natin yung mga given. A sub n natin, a sub 6. So, palitan muna natin ito. A sub n natin, a sub 6 is equal to a sub 1 r to the n minus 1. So, n is 6. So, magiging to the 5th power ito. And then, solve natin yung r. Substitute ang mga given. A sub 6 is 160 equals a sub 1 is 5. And then, r to the 5th power. Okay, so solve for r. So, divide natin both sides by 5. Divide both sides by 5. So, ang magiging value nito? 160 divided by 5. So, ano magiging sagot dyan? So, i-calculator nyo na lang. Or, ayan, 160 divided by 5. That is equal to 3. Times 5, we have 15. And then, okay, so 10 divided by 5. So, we have 32 is equal to r to the 5th power. So, now solve natin itong r. So, erase natin both sides by 5th root of both sides kunin natin para ma-cancel out ito. Okay? So, kunin natin ang 5th root of both sides. So, therefore, r na lang ito. And then, itong 32, pwede natin yung isulat as 2 to the 5th power. Okay? So, 5 factors of 2, that is equal to 32. So, maka-cancel out na ito. Therefore, ang value ng r natin ay 2. So, dahil meron na tayong value ng r, pwede na nating masolve itong nandito. Imumultiply lang natin itong 5. 5 times 2, so we have 10 yung pangalawa natin. Times 2, magiging itong 20. Times 2, we have 40. Times 2 is 80. And then times 2, magiging 160 na siya. So, hinahanap natin ang sum nito, i-add lang natin ito. So, i-add lang natin itong 10, 20, 40, and 80. Hindi nakasama yung 5 and 160. So, itong 10 at 80, that is 100. Tapos, itong 10 at 40, that is 15. Therefore, the sum is letter C, 150. Okay? So that's all. So thank you for watching. I hope nagustuhan yung explanation ko para dito sa problem na ito at kita-kita tayo sa mga susunod pang mga math review para sa engineering mathematics. So good luck po sa lahat na nagre-review. Bye-bye and God bless.